I just perceive reality around me and I highlight things that I like. The Netherlands is a chill place to get started making art. My name is María, Perez Lozao, and I study design, art and technology. My work is some sort of film set, but the way I'm presenting it in this exhibition is as a performance. You, as a viewer, are also part of the artwork by being there. Well, I start kind of by collecting objects a bit intuitively. I get this Disney TV that is kind of princess vibe, and then I'm like, well, maybe I should contrast these aesthetics with making it bleed. I added smell to the smoke machine, so I tried to recreate the smell of storm. So when you are there, you can smell the storm, and you also see the videos with the thunders, the lights flickering, so it makes kind of like full experience. Coming from Spain to the Netherlands was fun. I felt it helped for my identity to think like, I don't have to be this person, I can be someone new. My plan after graduating is to stay here in the Netherlands. I feel here I have some opportunities to get started with my professional career. Let's see where this takes me.